is a beautiful rose lip scrub from Nature's Bliss, and it's really amazing for my lips. So let me just try it on and show it to you. Basically what is to be done with this is that apply it in a circular motion on wet lips and then massage it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. And you'll find such moisturized and amazing lips after that. I was really glad to use it. I'll show it to you again. And I am back, and my lips are so moisturized and so much better now. They're soft and the color has been replenished into them. I'm really surprised by it, and I really love this scrub. Wow, it's put back the color inside them and the moisture. I really missed my moisturized and soft lips because my lips had become really dry, and it had been a while since this was happening, this was going on, and I'm just glad that I found this lip scrub from Nature's Bliss. And again, it's all natural ingredients. It's a rose lip scrub, so it has rose water, it has sugar, it has all the natural ingredients, so which makes it very good for the lips and really harmless. So also, Nature's Bliss gives out their products in very beautiful black packaging like this one here. It's so cute and so compact that you can put it in your purse, you can put it in your bag, you can carry it anywhere that you want to, and it's not even a big bulky product that will be difficult for you to carry. Also, Nature's Bliss have all natural products. They have a lot of body scrubs, lip scrubs, moisturizer, lip butter, body butters. So do check out their range. We'll be adding a link here in the bio. And that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And if you like this video, do like and comment. And do follow our blog at shopaholicadventures.com. That's all. Thanks. Bye.